Morning. So it's day 2 because yesterday was travel day, setting up day. First full day today. I've been for my 5k run this morning because I do 5k a day for a year for Macmillan Cancer Support Charity. And to celebrate day 1, we've had the bacon. Oh, looking forward to that. Somebody's already got theirs. Mason? Nice? Oh God, I'm looking forward to this. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, gorgeous. Right, so breakfast all done. Had a shower. Emptied the poo-poo. I'm joking, there's only wee in there. So that's all been done. We're off today to Drayton Manor, which, for those that don't know, is a big theme park. I've not been to that one. Naomi has. And we went there to Thomasland in the winter, but the actual theme park was shut one year. So yeah, it'll be our day out there. It's going to be warm today, 29 degrees I think it's going to go up to. So yeah, that's it. So we will see you when we... Hi, it's 5 to 8 in the evening. 5 to 8, yeah. Been to Drayton Manor. Spent the whole day theme parking. Drayton Manor's alright actually. It's not too bad. It's a good mixture of rides. A lot of little ones, a lot of big ones. Yeah, it's alright. I quite enjoyed it. Caught the sun a lot because it's been quite warm today, so I've caught the sun a fair bit. We're now back at Camp Shez Taylor, and I've had a shower because I'm having 2 showers today. That shower block's so nice. Shower block is so nice. So I've had another shower and feel, you know, when you feel all the sun on your shoulders and stuff. We're going to have some s'mores later, which is the marshmallow, chocolate and biscuit melted, either on a log burner, which is raised off the ground because of the heat, or we'll just use one of the cooking things. So either or, we'll have them in a bit.
Can we have some?
What do you think I'm doing them for?
Toasting fire.
So here we are with the
Hi.
fire. Naomi's going to give us a professional cooking class of how you make s'mores.
Dad almost cashed.
So let's...
No, don't film
Again.
Don't film me, I've got no makeup on.
and no bra.
You tripped again.
So, there we go. Marshmallows on. This is what you do, you drop them a couple of times first.
We did have a prong, but we've lost it somewhere between Basingstoke and here.
I don't have a stick. I'm gonna melt it.
Then
Dangerous.
you melt the marshmallows
And then you drop the marshmallows.
in the flames. Oh God.
Talk about overcooked.
Make them black.
Make them hard boiled.
How are we doing, Mummy?
Hard boiled. Hard boiled Toyota driving lessons.
Then
Oh no.
I need a fork or a knife or something.
we're just watching your professional class. Let's see what you do now.
Well, I need a fork or a knife. I need a knife.
Right. Let's go on and get a knife. Mason, sit down, please. A knife. Knife.
he made fire. Oh, really showing that nice on camera.
Thanks.
Then you get your digestive biscuits.
Because we
And some melted mallow.
Whoa.
we don't have graham crackers here.
Oh, very interesting. Wild
Whatever it
mummy.
Dairy milk large buttons.
I have to melt those.
And then sandwich it together and give it to Mason.
Yay!
Right, let's do the taste test. Go and sit down.
Oh, we
On the
can
fire.
drop it.
Should really have plates.
Right, see the taste test.
Bye.
And? Nice? Right, so that's the end of day 2. We're just going to watch these flames go down slowly. Warm our feet up, which are still a bit chilly from earlier. We got absolutely soaked. What was the ride we got soaked on, Mummy?
Storm Force 10.
Oh God, did we ever get soaked? Gee whiz. So we're going to see this go down a bit and we're going to tuck ourselves in for the night. And tomorrow we are going to West Midlands Safari Park.
Yeah, we're going home.
And where's that, Naomi?
It's the other side of Birmingham.
Oh, so it's quite a way.
Yeah, it's about an hour's drive.
So we're going there tomorrow. I might even take my camera there. So I might see you there.
Going on a safari.
We're going on a safari.
And it's all right.